Hello students, today we will be solving the IB Math A till May 2025 paper 2 time zone 2 question number 7. You will be getting the solutions for the first 6 questions of this paper and the solutions of the other questions from the other past papers in form of playlists on my channel NS Online Math Tutoring Classes. You will also be getting playlists where the solved past paper questions will be available based on their topics. I'm Nilanjana Sanyal. I'm an online IB Math A HL level tutor. My phone number and my website address are displayed at the bottom of the screen. So without any further delay, let us start to solve the question number 7. The maximum mark is 7. A geometric sequence has the first term as 80 and the fourth term is 0.74088. Subpart A's question is find the second term. Okay, so U1, the first term is 80 and fourth term means U1R to the power of 3 is 0.74088. Okay, so therefore U1R cube over U1 is equal to R cube is equal to 0.74088 divided by 80. Okay, so therefore R is equal to cube root of 0.74088 divided by 80. Okay, so it is the cube root of 0.74088 divided by 80. It is 0.21. R is 0.21. Okay, so therefore R is equal to 0.21. So therefore the second term is equal to U1 times R equal to 80 times 0.21. Therefore, second term is equal to 80 times 0.21 equal to 16.8. 16.8. First two terms of this geometric sequence are also the first term and the 11th term respectively of an arithmetic sequence. Let Sn denote the sum of the first n terms of the arithmetic sequence. Subpart B's question is find the greatest value of Sn giving your answer to 2 decimal places. So B, arithmetic sequence first term U1 equal to 80 and 11th term U11 is equal to, it is the second term of the geometric sequence, which is this 16.8. Okay, and what is Sn? What is the formula for Sn? Sn is equal to, it is the sum total of the first n terms. It is n over 2 and 2 times u1 plus n minus 1 times d. D is the common difference. So we have to know the common difference. So what is U11? It is equal to U1 plus 11 minus 1 times D. So this is equal to U1 is 80 plus 11 minus 1 is 10, 10D, which is equal to 16.8. So this is 10D is equal to 16.8 minus 80 divided, okay, so D will be equal to 16.8 minus 80 divided by 10. Let us find the value of D. 16.8 minus 80 divided by 10. It is minus 6.32. Okay. So, minus 6.32, it is a negative number. The common difference is a negative number. Okay. And the question is saying, find the greatest value of Sn. What does this mean? See, suppose you have one arithmetic series as 4, the first term is 4 and the common difference is negative 1. So 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3 and all. Okay. So what is S1? Sum total of the first one term, it is 4. S2, sum total of two terms, it is 4 plus 3, 7. The sum total is increasing. S3, 4 plus 3 plus 2, 9. S4, 9 plus 1, 10. Increasing. S5, it is 0, so the sum total remains the same, it is 10. But as soon as we move to S6, we are including this negative 1. See, the sum total is decreasing. S7, 9 minus 2 is 7. Okay. So now the sum total is going on decreasing. And after a time, the sum total will be a negative number. So the greatest sum total comes into picture whenever you have a negative common difference. So we have to know how many positive terms are there in this arithmetic series, because only the positive terms when added will be giving us the will be adding to the sum total. As we take more and more positive terms from the sequence, the sum total will be increasing. And if we take all the positive terms present in the sequence, that will be the greatest sum total. So we have to find how many positive terms are there in the sequence or the series. Okay. Since we are adding, so we can call this as an arithmetic series. We have to get the number of positive terms in this arithmetic series. So we should be we are interested in the un values which are greater than 0. And we have to get the value of n, which is the largest term, which is the positive term. Okay. So what is un? It is u1 plus n minus 1 times d. This should be greater than 0. And u1 is 80 plus n minus 1 times negative 6.32 is greater than 0. So n minus 1 times negative 6.32 is greater than negative 80. And I can multiply both sides by negative 1 so that this one and this one will be cancelling. But as soon as I multiply both sides by negative 1, the inequality sign will also be changed to this greater than will be changed to less than. So it becomes 6.32 n minus 1 is less than 80. Okay. Or n minus 1 is less than 80 over 6.32 or n is less than 80 over 6.32 plus 1. Let us use the calculator. It is 80 over 6.32 plus 1. It is 13.658. I am taking 13.658. So, n is less than 13.658. Since n is a positive integer, so what can n value be? What can be the largest positive integer which is less than 13.658? Therefore, largest value of n equal to 13, okay, which is less than 13.658. So, therefore, greatest value of Sn is equal to S13 is equal to 13 over 2 times 2 times 80 plus 13 minus 1. N minus 1 is 13 minus 1 and D is negative 6.32. Okay, this is 6.32, negative 6.32. Okay, so now we have to use the calculator. Okay, I can simplify this a bit. 13 over 2 is 6.5. 2 times 80 is 160 and 13 minus 1 is 12 times negative 6.32. I could have changed this to minus, but anyway. So the calculator, okay, so it is 6.5 times 160 plus 12, or this time let me change it to minus 12 times 6.32. Okay, enter. It is 547.04 and they had asked us to give the answer correct to 2 decimal places. So it is 547.04. So this is 547.04. Okay. Correct to 2 decimal places. So we have completed solving this question. Thank you for staying with me till the end. Please like and share this video in case you have liked my explanation, and please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Your liking, sharing and subscribing will be really helping me a lot. We meet again very soon in our next session. We'll be solving question number 8 of the same paper. Till then, bye.